Hello friends, welcome to SAP S4HANA FICO training journey with SAP. This is just a short introduction about this channel. First of all, what is SAP? It is a YouTube channel mainly created to teach SAP. And right now, I'm starting to teach SAP FI and CO modules. I am hopeful that more modules will be added later. Why SAP? You might be wondering if this is the right place to learn all about SAP FICO. Or should I spend some money and take a classroom course or online course and so on? Let me tell you that this is going to be far more interesting and easy than many classroom or online training courses available today. And the best thing is that you just need access to YouTube to learn the complete course without any subscription charges or fees. Let me make it easy for you to understand what and how I am going to teach you about SAP FI and CO modules on this channel. But before I do that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Muhammad. I have 20 years of experience. I learned SAP through classroom training, but I found many gaps between my learning and real-time requirements and expectations. Why I decided to start this channel and this course? Point number one, nowadays more people have access to YouTube as compared to classroom trainings. This makes learning easy and convenient for everybody at their convenient time. Number two, I have observed that most of the resources available online can't help you learn SAP, which is probably one of the most complicated applications on the planet. Number three, self-learning of SAP is not possible without a tutor, instructor due to its complexity. Number four, apart from learning the basic stuff which is taught in classrooms and other training sessions, the students must also learn everything else which will help them start a job right after the course. Number five, in this course, my idea is to combine the basic stuff with important real-time skills and techniques that is needed to start a job right after the course. Now let's have some course overview. Now since this is the first video I am recording, I just want to give you an overview about the course and the methodology, which will make things easy and convenient to learn. This course, the topics I am going to cover are from FI, General Ledger Accounting, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, Set Accounting, and many other topics. And in CO, Cost Element Accounting, Cost Center Accounting, Profit Center Accounting, Product Costing, Material Ledger, Profitability Analysis, Period End Closing Activities. This comes under other cross topics, and Solution Manager, Solution Documentation, Transport Management, web tips for functional consultants, and much more. I don't want to scare you at this moment, so let's take it one by one. Now what is the methodology? I will be making different versions of the same topic. The initial version will talk about the basics for new learners, and the subsequent versions will cover more advanced topics. If you want to ask questions or make suggestions, you are welcome to do the same by using the comment section. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you are notified as soon as I upload new videos. So good luck and all the best. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.